Hi there, it's Adam at Boardington's and XM, and today I'm showing you around the 64 plate SKODA Yeti Elegance 2.0 TDI 4-wheel drive. Finished in this really nice maroon metallic red. Really nice alloy wheels. Great spec on this. See, previous owner had a tow bar fitted. You've also got the rear parking sensors. Previous owner had the rubber mat underneath, but it's all in really good nick, immaculate, and the spare wheel underneath there. Really nice sized boot. Roof rails obviously on there. Full leather interior, all immaculate inside, aircon in the back. And inside, you can see it's just about hit 70,000 miles. Cruise control, dual aircon, the radio display, touchscreen, auto headlamps. It's got a great full service history, including, importantly, timing belt being done in 2020. Lovely vehicle to drive, great 4-wheel drive model. And if you'd like to see it for yourself, don't hesitate to get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye now.